In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices in Microsoft Access. Everything you need to know about invoices in MS Access. We'll build a simple, reliable invoicing system from a brand new database all the way to a polished printable invoice. Start by opening Microsoft Access and choosing blank database. Give your file a clear name and a safe location so you can find it later. Then create the database to open it. Head to the Create tab and choose Table Design. We're going to define the structure of your data. Think in terms of core tables, customers, products or services, invoices, and invoice line items. In each table, add fields with sensible data types. Use auto number for primary keys, short text for names and addresses, currency for prices and totals, number for quantities, and date, time for invoice and due dates. Mark your primary key in every table and consider setting required to yes on fields you can't afford to leave blank. With tables saved, go to Database Tools and Open Relationships. Add all the tables you just built to the design surface so you can see them together. Now link them by dragging common fields. Customer ID from customers to invoices, invoice ID from invoices to invoice lines, and product ID from products to invoice lines. In the relationship dialog, enforce referential integrity to prevent orphaned records, and where appropriate, enable cascade updates so related keys stay synchronized. Next, create data entry forms so users can work efficiently. Simple forms for customers and products make maintenance easy. For invoices, use the form wizard to generate a main form bound to invoices with a subform bound to invoice lines. The wizard can automatically use the relationships to keep the line items tied to the correct invoice. On the form, use combo boxes to look up customers and products, show unit price, and calculate line totals with a control source like quantity multiplied by unit price. Save and test that new records flow smoothly. To produce the actual invoice, build a query that pulls all the needed fields across your related tables. Include invoice header details, customer information, and line items. Add calculated fields such as line total equal quantity, pay unit price, and include tax or discount calculations if you use them. Create a new report based on that query. Design the invoice layout with a clear header for your business details and invoice metadata, a detail section listing each line item, and group footers for subtotals, tax, and grand total. Format currency fields, align columns, add page numbers, and preview before finalizing. Finally, automate and enhance. Add buttons to your invoice form to create a new invoice, print or export the report to PDF, and find existing invoices. Use macros or simple expressions to autofill due dates, calculate taxes consistently, and validate required fields. Save your work, enter a few test records, and you're ready to invoice with confidence and access.